Hi, my name is Shweta and I'm a marketing analyst here at Pluto7, where we help customers across the globe optimize their business processes through the power of ML and AI. So if you'd like to find out more about how we help the gourmet supermarket Gelson's optimize their inventory process by reducing carryover costs by more than 50%, then just keep on watching. Overly complex inventory systems can dramatically drain production time as well as team productivity. Without the proper access to the inventory at the right time, or scrambled inventory data across different silos, many organizations have to sacrifice excessive amounts of time and money to properly manage their supply chains. This can also have a trickle-down effect, as many end users also feel the brunt of this issue and don't get access to the right products and services they're looking for. Pluto7's Inventory ML solution, built on GCP, harnesses the power of machine learning and smart analytics to build successful models that can help companies get a deeper understanding of their inventory process. By updating the status of inventory, creating accurate predictions to help in the planning process, or optimizing the production cycle, this solution is built with confidence so that companies can deliver a better customer experience. Take the SoCal gourmet food market, Gelson's, which lacked visibility in their inventory management process, leaving many shelves empty and customers unhappy. The client knew that this was not sustainable as they had plans to rapidly grow and expand their market share. So Gelson's looked to Pluto7 and Google Cloud to blend the power of Cloud ML and AI to create one impactful plan for item assortment. This ultimately resulted in 50% reduction of inventory carrying costs and improved forecasting accuracy quarter after quarter to keep shelves stocked with the right products that customers desired. Take a look at this demo dashboard, which helps supply chain leaders understand their end-to-end inventory status. We give you assets like shipping timelines and product statuses, which is especially useful when making sure stores are stocked at the optimal level to avoid any excess or shortages. Get your shopping cart ready at the Google Cloud platform, where Pluto7 makes it easy for customers to understand inventory ML and how it can be implemented into their business processes. We give you an overview, of course a pricing breakdown, as well as tutorials to get you started. So check it out for yourself. Take your inventory ML knowledge to the next level by visiting Pluto7.com and the Inventory ML page. With so much technology and tools at our fingertips, there's always room for improvement and innovation. By fully automating your inventory management system, you take advantage of the brainpower that ML and smart analytics provide. Serve your customers with confidence that you are prepared for their unique journey and that your products are always deliverable at the right time. Supply chain leaders around the world are embracing this new form of relationship building and finally saving themselves time and money in the process. Now, all of this was just a sneak peek. So if you want to find out more, head over to Pluto7's Contact Us page and request a free 2-hour complimentary workshop to help kickstart your journey in ML and AI. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!